Welcome back to Ride JBI. This is JB. Today I'm finishing up packaging one of our JBI suspension Honda CRF Pro Fork DIY kits with JBI Titanium Pro Perch upgrade. This is the Pro Fork DIY kit components. These are all already shimmed up, custom built to the rider settings that they provided here through our website. This is for a 2023 Honda CRF250R. We're doing it for a motocross rider, and it looks like they are a 62-year-old vet rider. So we gave them our motocross setting, but we softened it up just a little bit to give them a little bit more initial comfort on the fork setup for them. But yeah, wanted to show you guys one of these kits for the new 23 Honda CRF250R. We've been developing the Showa 49mm fork since it came out in 2017, first on the Honda CRF450R, and then followed by the 250F in 2018. So at Ride JBI, we've had a lot of years of working on these Showa forks, and over these years, each piece of this kit was introduced to our setups and used. And now what you see in total, and what I mean by the kit, is the sub valves, leaf spring, mid valves, rebound stack. I understand you can't see these too well in here, but on our website, we have very detailed and clear images of all the valving setup, and then our volume spacers. This kit today is what we've kind of figured out over the years of tuning on those forks, meaning we'd build a certain setting, and we'd find that setting to be the best performing one with using what's there inside the forks. And then I'd look at what else inside the fork we could maybe modify or change out. And that's exactly what this kit is piece by piece. I went through the fork and changed out these hardware pieces. And each time the fork got a little bit better and a little bit better. And each piece has its own way that it contributes to the fork as a whole. And that way it yields that very plush ride that everybody's after, while also having good bottoming resistance, or pretty good bottoming resistance if you're just using the kit with the volume spacers. You get really good bottoming resistance when you pair it with the JBI Titanium Pro Perches as well. These kits have become a lot more popular as the word gets out, and I'm really pleased about that. A lot of effort and development time has gone into these settings and getting these fork to work as good as it can. And we're really pleased with what we've come up with. And I'm also pleased that we're able to turn our JBI Pro Fork Revalve service into a DIY kit, such as what you see here. So that you can buy it from us if you don't have the ability to ship your suspension in to Ride JBI and have us do the revalve service for you. If you are local or you do want to ship in your suspension, we offer the same kit as a JBI suspension fork revalve service. So you just send in your suspension to us and we'll build it up to this exact spec and hardware. Ride JBI has also tested, tuned, and developed many other suspension settings. So besides the motocross setup you see here, we have also tested, tuned, and developed all the settings for all the different types of off-road riding, motocross, supercross, arena cross, and freestyle motocross. At ridejbi.com, there's individual product pages for our JBI Titanium Pro Perch, our JBI volume spacers, and then of course there's a product page on this kit, which is these items, and it has in-depth information on exactly what each part is, how it works, why it works, what to expect from it as a rider, meaning what you should expect to feel. And yeah, just very transparent about the products that we develop and sell here at Ride JBI. If you'd like Ride JBI to do your suspension, please give us a call or send us an email. We can discuss the year, make, and model bike that you have, which options are available, and which setup would be most advantageous for you. All JBI suspension services and parts can be found at ridejbi.com.